Living in Maricopa, Arizona, offers residents access to stunning desert landscapes, warm weather, and a growing community. As the city grows and becomes more sought after, homeowners are discovering that making strategic home improvements is key to increasing property value and boosting curb appeal. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is window replacement. New windows not only improve the energy efficiency and comfort of your home, but they also enhance its aesthetic appeal, giving your property an instant boost in both value and curb appeal. Let's explore how replacing your old windows with modern, high-quality options can provide both immediate and long-term benefits for your Maricopa home. First impressions matter. Increasing curb appeal. When it comes to boosting curb appeal, few upgrades offer as much of a visual transformation as new windows. Windows are one of the most prominent features of a home's exterior, and their condition can dramatically affect how your property is perceived. Old, faded, or cracked windows can make even the most well-maintained house look outdated and worn out. New, stylish windows, on the other hand, can dramatically elevate the appearance of your home, making it look fresh, modern, and well-maintained. Whether you choose energy-efficient vinyl windows, sleek casement windows, or classic double-hung windows, the right style can complement your home's architectural design and instantly increase its curb appeal. For potential buyers, new windows signal that the home has been well cared for, which can be a significant factor when making a decision. They will appreciate the clean, modern look and will be reassured that other areas of the home have likely been upgraded with the same level of care. Energy efficiency that saves money. Maricopa's climate, hot summers and mild winters, puts a significant strain on your home's energy systems. Old windows with single-pane glass or damaged seals can lead to energy inefficiencies, letting cool air escape in the summer and heat escape in the winter. This means your air conditioning and heating system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, raising your utility bills. New energy-efficient windows are designed to improve insulation by using modern features like double or triple panes of glass, glow-E glass coatings that reflect heat, argon gas fills for extra insulation, advanced weather stripping for airtight seals. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for constant HVAC use. The result is lower energy costs and a more comfortable home environment. In addition to the savings on monthly utility bills, energy-efficient windows increase the overall market value of your home. Homebuyers often look for properties with modern, energy-efficient upgrades that will save them money over time. Enhanced comfort and functionality. While the visual benefits of new windows are obvious, the comfort and functionality they provide are just as important. Older windows can cause drafts, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. They may also become difficult to open or close due to wear and tear. New windows provide better functionality with smoother operation, improved sealing, and a consistent indoor temperature. Whether you opt for sliding windows, picture windows, or casement windows, modern windows are designed for ease of use and reliability. Replacing your old windows can improve the overall comfort of your home by reducing drafts, improving insulation, and allowing for better ventilation in the cooler months. These small changes have a significant impact on how pleasant your home feels on a daily basis. Low maintenance and long-term durability. One of the key advantages of installing new windows is the low maintenance benefits they provide. Unlike older wooden windows that require constant painting, sealing, and upkeep, modern windows, especially those made of vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, are built to last and are incredibly easy to maintain. New windows are resistant to fading, cracking, and rotting and require little more than occasional cleaning to keep them looking like new. This makes them an attractive option for homeowners looking to save time and effort in maintaining their homes. By choosing durable materials, you're also making a long-term investment that will continue to enhance your property's value for years to come. Increased property value. Perhaps the most compelling reason to replace your windows is the boost in property value. According to real estate experts, window replacement provides a high return on investment, ROI, often recouping a significant portion of the project's cost when it's time to sell. Homebuyers are increasingly prioritizing energy efficiency, low maintenance features, and updated aesthetics, all of which are achieved with new windows. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to increase your home's long-term value, window replacement is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. Final thoughts: replacing your windows is more than just a home improvement project. It's a smart investment in the long-term value, efficiency, and comfort of your Maricopa home. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can improve curb appeal, save on utility bills, increase the overall market value of your home, and enjoy a more comfortable living space. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enhance your home's livability, window replacement offers a high ROI that benefits both your lifestyle and your property's worth. Ready to boost your home's curb appeal and efficiency? Contact a professional window installer to explore the best window options for your Maricopa home today.